We try really hard to provide equitable access to our 3D printers. We don't want to charge anyone to use the 3D printers. We want students and staff to have open access to use them.
There's more students that are interested in 3D printing, and the need for replacement parts and consumables has grown. So that's what initiated our decision to apply for the grant.
We provide mechanical equipment for commercial buildings, and so we've worked with Virginia Beach schools for 25 or 30 years, and this grant is just such a great example where we've been helpful with providing opportunities for kids with these 3D printers. It's really exciting to see young people utilizing technology like they are.
Today is us working with a 3D approaches to art class, and these students use different media to make 3D art so they can design 3D images and we can print them.
It's a huge opportunity because I know not everyone has 3D printers or a VR headset, and it's also just a huge opportunity to see what art can become in the future.
We've had a lot of students really kind of expand upon their hobbies, and then a lot of students end up getting into design.
I'm a civil engineer by trade, and so for somebody who was brought up where plans were hand-drawn, there was no AutoCAD, and to see what they're doing now with 3D printers and virtual reality and things they're doing that are providing opportunities for young people here to maybe one day be future engineers.
Definitely funding projects like this is very important because it helps people who don't have these opportunities be able to express themselves and learn new things.